Hello everyone, and welcome to Remade in Jersey. We have a log splitter here today to try and fix. As you can see, the pull handle it's just it's stuck, and I think once I loosen up that cage, it's going to come right back in. Yeah, so we're having a problem, see? That's what I thought. And what happens with these guards is obviously it gets dirt in there. I think there's just too many holes in here. So a lot of large debris gets in here. And the owner of this thinks that there's water in the gas, which I would agree with her. Because this cap is very questionable. Yeah, see, yeah, it's very hard. Actually, what you could do with these, let's see these tabs here, you can press them in a little bit, not too much, because this, it's really not doesn't have enough thickness to this plate here, and can actually crack it, but let's give it a little bit of a tweak. And I see that there's a ton of rust in there. Yeah, it's very questionable. I mean, she took care of it. She put a cover on it. But, around here in North Jersey, there's a lot of trees, obviously. And it holds the moisture towards your house, and if you put a cover on this, it gets a lot of moisture underneath if you put it on the ground. As you can see, the ground is wet right now with leaves. This is what kills the machine over time, over long storage. And you should really take all the gas out, because the gas nowadays has alcohol in it, and it's not very good when you store it, because everything gets gummed up, and it's just not a good time. Not a good time. And a lot of people don't know about this part too, about the fuel shutoff. If you leave it open, it, obviously it puts the fuel inside the bowl, and it's just no good, and you should really just drain it.
What's
how you doing?
Tim. Tim?
Yeah.
I remember it.
We're on right now.
Repairing this thing?
Huh?
You're repairing this thing?
Yeah, I'm doing it for Michael as a favor.
Yeah. What is it on YouTube? Is it on?
Yeah, this is on YouTube.
What's the name again?
Remade in Jersey.
Remade in Jersey. I'll check it out.
I'm making a motorcycle out of garbage. Anything that I get out of the dump, and it's going to be working. I'm going to be driving it around town.
Can I come by and see it?
Absolutely. Absolutely. Yeah. You know my house. It's 17 Gravel Hill.
Okay, yeah. I just graduated from Montclair. I have a degree in filmmaking, and I got some cameras, and I'm getting lights and stuff. If you want help, you want to take my number, or you can get it from Mike, or
yeah, I'll get it from Mike then.
Yeah. Let me know if you need somebody to come by and help you anytime, if you want to work on production value, or if you just want to bounce ideas.
And it's on film.
Yeah,
it's on film. Thank you.
I mean, Mike is already a great resource. But
hell yeah.
Eddie's right down the street too.
Yep. All right. Have a good day, guys. Very nice people. And see, this is the drawback to this mechanism. It's plastic. Not only that, and like I said before, look at all the holes in this. I mean, I know there's a fan back there, but that's just way too much. It's all dirt. It's filthy. This is filthy. Yeah, look right here. Look at how this is what I was talking about. You get all the dirt and it gets stuck in this mechanism, and this is supposed to roll freely. And you can see it sticking right there. Let's see, I'm gonna try to reposition this. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys something else that I like to do. Just whenever I'm taking something apart, I just put it right back in the threaded part so I don't lose it. Because sometimes, no matter how careful you are, if you put it in a bin or something, you can lose the bin, or it could drop in the middle of a rock field and you'll never find it again. So I like to do this. That's why you know where everything is. And I didn't bring a brush with me. Got limited tools. I'm just working out of the back of my truck. As you can see, I use it as a tray. And pretty much all the tools that I'm using today, like, well, including this chair and this table, I found in the garbage. And I just repurpose stuff. That's what I do. What I'm going to do is I'm going to eventually take this thing off, but I want to show everyone how much stuff is on here. And I don't have any brake cleaner or any type of cleaner, but I do have WD-40, which is an excellent cleaner. And one of the best penetrants, because it also acts like a lubricant after. I've tried them all, believe me, and I think that WD-40 is probably the best product for that. As you can see, this thing is the cage and a return spring. It's really not supposed to be like that. It's rocking back and forth. It's a little worn out. Yeah, it's a little worn out. Yeah, look. I think I'll get it to go. We'll try dousing it with WD-40. And we'll try that first before we take it apart. hope one day for these guys to sponsor me. I've probably been using this stuff 30 years. Try to get it inside here. I'm sure there's a bunch of stuff in here, but let's see if we can get it to loosen up first. I know a lot of people will say, oh, you're getting everything all dirty. Well, not really. I'm cleaning it out. See that? Put a little bit on this too. All this stuff is coming out. This is the way I'm cleaning it now. I'll let that sit for a minute.